just a great ride. Lots of bikes out, which is really cool to see. It just started pouring. Really. Hey guys, welcome back to long-awaited episode of That Sportster Life. It's been a while. It's now the beginning of February. I think it's the 10th. No, sorry, 9th today. And yeah, I've been really wanting to do something with the bike. So I ordered some slip-on exhausts. So here's what I'll show you what I went with here. So these are the Road Shark slip-on pipes. The reason I went with this is because I was considering the Vance & Hines twin splash slip-ons. After doing some research, I found out they're about $900. I know people say you get what you pay for, but some people are also on a budget. So I went with the Vance & Hines, sorry, the Road Shark slip-ons. The reason, and like I said, they're 1/3 of the price of the V&H ones, and they look practically the same. So we're gonna get started here. I am going to remove the stock pipes. Just there's a clamp there, and there's 2 bolts underneath there that need to be taken off. And on the front there is a clamp right there, and then the 2 bolts on the exhaust bracket right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll check back in a minute. The slip-on exhaust off, the stock ones. I did find it easier to remove the support bracket, just because it's very difficult to get them off without it. Also, a rubber mallet would also be a friend, because they're very difficult to slide off. And for the bolts for the exhausts that mount to this, you'll need a 13mm socket. Then for the bolts that mount to the clamp, this that goes right there to hold it on, you'll need a 15mm socket. So next, what I did next is got the new exhaust all set up, the clamps on. So go ahead and put those on, and I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, we're back. So I got it all bolted up. It's pretty dirty because I just took it out for a little ride just to see how it sounds, but it's all done. I'll have to clean it off in a little bit, but let's give you a little after video, show you how it sounds. Yeah, as you can see, it's much louder. It's going to take some getting used to, but I do like it. That's what I was after. I'll post a link for the pipes in the description below, just to, if you're interested in looking at them further. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll try and post more. Like I said, it's winter here, so I haven't been out on the bike much lately, so a couple more months and hopefully we'll be back at it. But thanks again for watching my videos, liking them. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already. And we'll talk to you in a little bit. Cheers.